Riley Coyotes. Welcome back to my channel. So I was going through some of the videos on that dark web mystery box phone that I got.
All right, it is the morning after our little question and answer session. Dana has gone to work again. I didn't get to see her this morning. Yeah, I remember going to bed last night, but it's already noon, so I got a lot of work to do if I want to get ahead on this. So first step one is to call up some people I know, see maybe if they've been to Bonnidale, know anything about it. I'm gonna guess nothing's gonna turn up on that. And then I think I'm gonna go to some neighborhoods on my own and take a look around that I think maybe might fit some sort of bill in my head. But yeah, we're gonna start with that. Thanks for taking this call.
Yeah.
It's really quick. This is gonna sound weird. Have you ever heard of a place in town called Bonnidale?
Bonnidale?
Maybe it's like a specific, like, small part of a neighborhood or like a landmark. I'm not sure.
Bonnidale. I don't think so.
Huh?
Bonnidale. No, I haven't.
Not at all.
No.
Are you sure? It's just a place that I heard about somewhere somebody grew up. So
Bonnidale. You're sure?
that's what I heard.
Bonnidale. Have you tried looking it up?
Yep.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of ones that sound like it.
Somebody said that too, but that's the waste facility plant. And I doubt this person went there.
Yeah, I don't know, man. That's like we grew up in town in a place called Bonnidale.
Yeah. Anyway, have you ever heard in town of a place called Bonnidale?
I don't think so. Have you? Bonnidale?
Bonnidale? No.
Should I have?
I asked that myself a lot today.
Yeah, I haven't heard of anything like that.
No?
No.
Not even like it could be a nickname for something? Like
No.
no?
Like I'm like trying to rack my brain. I'm like, Bonnidale. Like, no, never heard of it.
It sounds vaguely familiar, but let me go ask Jeff. He's just in the office.
Okay.
Let's see what the Google says.
I've already done that. Trust me.
Bonnidale?
Yeah, this person said it was a neighborhood
A neighborhood?
in the city.
Because I was going to ask, I was like, is this supposed to be like a certain type of place, but it's a neighborhood?
Well, that could be so many things, though.
A Bonnidale here.
Oh,
Hmm?
That's a person.
that is Bonnidale, a sales clerk.
Well, if I was looking for a person, that would have been it. Well, that was, as I thought, extraordinarily unhelpful. So, nobody's fault, because even I don't know. So, next step is to head out in the car and go to a couple places where I think maybe feel like they might be there. I don't know. I'm just going to drive around and take a look at some places. We'll see. Yeah, right. Might as well. Could that tree be Bonnidale? Who knows? Maybe it's that one. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but at least I tried something. I don't think Bonnidale is in either one of these places. So on we go.
Like, I don't know if Justin was using like Apple Maps or something, but Bonnidale came up pretty easily when I typed it into Google Maps. So, or maybe he's using MapQuest. Maybe he's using a map. Okay, so it should just be over the top here. Okay. What? Did I fuck that up? Okay, I don't know if you can see behind me, but it's like obviously not a real address. Okay, wait. See, this is like a football field or whatever. Okay, so I've been walking around for a few minutes and there's obviously nothing here except for fantastic lighting. So I may as well just drive home and upload those videos. Okay, so like kind of a bust, but I don't know if I really expected to find it. I don't know. It's weird we're in the same city though, right? So let me know what you think of this next video, cause like, I don't want to say, but there's like a part, you'll know when you get there. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later. Are you fucking kidding me? I got a parking ticket. I'm here like 20 minutes. Are you serious? This isn't funny.
Okay, I just got back from outdoor adventure, and I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I mean, it's pretty obvious what it looks like. I'd say that's a handprint. I think I heard Dana mention something about a hand in her story, but I'm not going to draw conclusions. I never noticed that before. Maybe it was there before, but maybe Dana will know. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Fine. Why are you filming?
What?
Why are you filming?
Oh, it's part of it. It's the project's still going.
Okay.
I just wanted to ask you if you noticed the handprint on the wall upstairs.
No.
No? Because it's near the elliptical, so I was just gonna ask if you fell off it or something.
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to come look at it?
Not really.
Well, it's just kind of interesting. I think you should come look at it. Okay, like I just don't want to seem like I'm crazy. That's all. It's just
I know what you're trying to do.
I'm not doing anything.
You are doing something.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, you need to stop.
Okay, I'm not doing anything though.
No, you need to stop.
Okay, when I do something or I need to stop, I will stop. I'm just asking about something that's in the house. That's all.
Stop.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely a handprint. I'm gonna say it now. Who's at the door, bud? Who's at the door? Okay. Okay, that was the weirdest nicky 9 doors I've ever had in my life. Had to cut the camera short because I got some neighbors out there, and then I don't know where this is gonna go, so I don't want to get anybody. I can't get media releases for or anything, but I guess I'll just keep this and just add it to the list of weird stuff that's happening. All right.